गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कल हमने जैसे कि पढ़ा था रेशनल नंबर्स के बारे में एंड इट्स टाइप्स, दैट इज पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर्स, नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर एंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर एंड इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज. Under these properties, how to compare it and how to arrange the given rational number in ascending order and descending order. Now we will continue our topic here from this, that addition of rational numbers. From this statement, it is very clear we have to add two rational number, but under this there are two cases. Case number 1, if two rational number having the same denominator, suppose see here, that is 7 by 9 plus minus of 11 by 9 here. Both of these rational number, this one and this one, having same denominator, that is 9, then how to add? Simply write down denominator as it is once 9 and both of the numerator add here. But see here, 11 is with negative sign, so must you have to write in bracket minus of 11. Now open this bracket and it become plus minus of 11 by 9. Now again 7 is here with positive sign and 11 is with negative sign. So what we'll do, again subtract it, plus minus, so it become minus 4 by 9. That is our answer. This is the first type of case in which having denominator are same. Now case number 2. Case number 2, in which denominator are not same, then that time what we will do, this one again we discuss with a beautiful example. See here, it is given minus 9 by 16 plus 5 by 12. Both of rational number are having different denominator, so what we will do, we have to take LCM of both denominator 16 and 12 here. So firstly it goes on table 2, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, and this one as it is again, 2 1s are, 3s are, and last 3 1s are 3. So multiply now all these numbers, we get that here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, multiply these, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So write down this one as 48 as denominator here. Now 48 divided by 16, we get 3, and this 3 multiply with 9, that we get minus of 27. Similarly here 48 divided by 12, 4 4 5s are 20. Now solve this, minus of 7 by 20, 48. That is our answer. Now after that, here are some properties. First one, properties of rational numbers. Properties of addition of rational numbers. Now first one property, that is closure property. Closure property. This property tells us that the sum of two rational number is always a rational number. See here, suppose we have two rational number p by q and r by s. If we add it here, the answer will come is also a rational number. See here example. Suppose we have two rational number 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Both are rational number. When we add it here, again take LCM, we get 15 and solve this. 15 divided by 3 5 multiply to 10. Similarly here 9, that is we get here 19 by 15, which is a rational number. So we can say if we add two rational number and in answer again we get a new rational number, so we can say our closure property satisfied here. The second property, commutative property. Under this property, that if we take two rational number p by q and r by s and add them, or r by s added to p by q, in both the times if we get the same rational number, then we can say our commutative property satisfied here. It is in general very simple method कि अगर 2 में 3 को जोड़ दो या 3 में 2 को जोड़ दो, दोनों टाइम आंसर तो 5 ही मिलेगा. सो वी कैन से अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई इस तरह होती है, देन वी कैन से आवर कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड्स गुड हियर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. See here, commutative property we take two rational number. Now in under associative property we take three rational number p by q, r by s and t by u. If we add them in arranged manners like this, p by q plus r by s plus t by u, these two I take in bracket, and p by q plus r by s arrange in this manner, and when we solve that, if we get the same rational number in both hand side, then we can say our associative property holds good here. So now for this, see here example, that example, suppose we have three rational number, that is minus 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 9. I took a negative symbol here, so it's very clear to understand. Under associative property we know that minus, if under these three rational number associative property holds good, then it must be in such form: minus 3 by 5 in bracket plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 9 will equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 and in bracket minus 4 by 9 here. Now again see here, first of all we have to take left hand side. See, minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 9. Now see here this minus, either you have to solve minus directly from here or do it later. अगर directly अभी यहीं पर करना है तो क्या करोगे, minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. See here plus minus become minus 4 by 9 here. इसको यहाँ solve करने का मैथ इजी हो गया कि हमें आगे इसको चेंज नहीं करना पड़ेगा. अब सी अगेन minus 3 by 4, take LCM 6 and 9. 6 and 9 LCM, that is 18. Now 18 divided by 6, 3 5 is a 15. Similarly here it become 8 here. Now solve this, minus 3 by 4 plus, see here 7 by 18. Again these two are coming in bracket, open this bracket, minus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 18 here. Now again take LCM of both of these, it become 36. Now 36 divided by 4, we get 9, 9 3 is a 27 plus 7 2 is a 14. We get, solve this, minus 13 by 36. This is the solution of our left hand side. Now take right hand side here. Under this right hand side again minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 9. And now same manner, firstly take LCM of this bracket portion, we get here what is the LCM, that is 12. Again 4 3s are 12, so 3 3s are 9, minus 9 plus 10. This one, open this bracket, we get minus 4 by 9 here. Now solve this bracket, we get 1 by 12 minus 4 by 9 here. Now again take LCM, that is 36. Solve this, 3 minus of 16, and solve this, plus minus minus 16 minus 3, 13 by 36. Now see here, this right hand side and this left hand side, both of sides are equal, so write here as left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our associative property holds good. Now after that, next one property, that's existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या कहती है कि कोई भी, सपोज करो कोई भी रेशनल नंबर है, सपोज p बाई क्यू, कि इसमें ऐसा क्या ऐड किया जाए कि अगेन आंसर हमारा p बाई क्यू ही बन जाए. तो सिंपल है, इफ एनी वैल्यू एडेड इन 0 it become the same number here, or other ones 0 is added to p by q, again we get the same answer here. So we can say 0 is known as additive identity for the rational number p by q. Now after SPC, next here, existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse क्या कहता है कि p by q एक ऐसा रेशनल नंबर है such that there exists a rational number minus p by q, that when we add them we get equal to 0, or negative of that rational number added to given rational number also we get same 0. So we can say minus p by q is additive inverse of p by q. Now example, simple here, suppose we have to write the additive inverse of 3 by 5, then what we will do, just change the sign, minus 3 by 5 here. Clear? But see here, if a rational number given in such manner and they said you write the additive inverse of this, then firstly cancel both of these sign, it become now 3 by 5. Now write the additive inverse of this by changing its sign, that is minus 3 by 5, that is our answer. Now on basis of that you have to do this assignment 1B. See here this assignment. And submit to me tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.